Welcome back to Explore Vlogs, friends. So today I am going for surprise meetup which is being held in Bangalore Shantinagar ground. This meetup is from XPHP Road United India 2021. Here some special guests are going to come. One of the famous YouTuber and moto vlogger Deepak Gupta. Along with him, Sandeep Gajjar, Manan Chaturvedi and Pratiksha Das are going to visit. So I am very excited to meet them. So let's see how it goes, friends.
At Road Trip United, as the name suggests, we are going all around India. We are meeting a lot of bikers and biking clubs with a single motto of uniting them and taking them together and giving them a platform wherein we all can meet, we all can ride together. That is the reason why we have this range of motorcycles and car with us. So whereas we have the world's fastest Ninja H2 with us, the world's biggest capacity Rocket 3R. At the same time, we have got one of the best looking, most beautiful made in India Apache RR 310, the sport bike of India, and a very potent scooter which is Ntorq. It's a 125cc. So from 125cc to 2500 cc's, we are all same. Doesn't matter if you are on two wheels, we are bikers, right? So that is the primary motto, and with that, the entire concept of Road Trip United came from XBHP, and the XBHP came from one single mind. Of course, later on, everybody joined together and made what it is today. So I would like to call that mind here, Sunny. Thank you so much, Manan. So hello, Bengaluru. Good morning.
Good morning.
So thank you so much for coming here, and Manan has explained most of the things to you over here, why we are here, what we are doing. So after this, we are going towards Krishnagiri and then Kanyakumari and then back up from the west coast all the way back to Delhi. So this is our 9th India ride that we are doing, and this time we thought that we should take different kind of motorcycles.
So first of all, तो thank you XBHP को, सनी भाई को और कैस्ट्रॉल पावर एंड अल्टीमेट को इधर मुझे इस राइड में शामिल करने के लिए रोड ट्रिप यूनाइटेड 2021 में। बेसिकली जो मेरी जर्नी है अगर मैं बताऊं तो वो स्टार्ट ही हुई थी XBHP के साथ 2012 से, और उस टाइम जो रैंगलर का कंपटीशन होता था उस टाइम भी हुआ था, तो वहीं से स्टार्ट हुई। और उसके बाद 2017 में मैंने मोटो ब्लॉग्स वगैरह स्टार्ट किया और फिर वीडियोस वगैरह डालता रहा। बेसिकली कंटेंट अच्छा होना चाहिए और डिफरेंट होना चाहिए, तभी आपका जो ब्लॉग्स वगैरह हैं वो आगे बढ़ेंगे। ज़्यादातर जो मेरे ब्लॉग्स होते हैं वो एडवेंचरस काइंड ऑफ होते हैं, ज़्यादातर हिमालयाज वगैरह कुछ डिफरेंट दिखाने की कोशिश होती है जिससे कि लोग उनको देखें। अगर नॉर्मल चीज़ें दिखाएंगे तो शायद वो टिक ना करें, तो बस मेरी यही कोशिश होती है डिफरेंट चीज़ें दिखाएं और कंटेंट अच्छा हो। सही
तो बाकी शब्द इतने कम इसलिए बोले कि बाकी सारे तो ब्लॉग के लिए हैं। आप सीक्रेटली बताना चाहते हो यार, आप बताना नहीं चाहते, आप 1 मिलियन फॉलोअर्स को पहुंच कैसे रहे हो? अरे बताओ यार, वो यंग लोग हैं, छुपाओ मत, बताओ।
कंटेंट अच्छा होना चाहिए बेसिकली और डिफरेंट होना चाहिए। मेन मोटो वही है कि भाई कुछ अलग करोगे तभी आगे बढ़ोगे। और बस यही है, 3-4 साल से मैं कर रहा हूँ ये और कंटिन्यूअसली डाल रहा हूँ वीडियोस वगैरह। अगर आप कंटिन्यूअस नहीं डालेंगे यूट्यूब पर तो थोड़ा डाउन हो जाता है, और डालते रहो कभी ना कभी तो सक्सेसफुल हो गए होगे।
तो ये बात रही इनकी। एक और यहाँ पे है, मैं उनको बुलाना चाहता हूँ। देयर इज अ लेडी हियर, प्रतीक्षा। सो प्रतीक्षा, प्लीज।
First of all, I would like to thank XPHP for making me a part of this epic road trip journey, the Road Trip United 2021, and I actually joined them from Hyderabad, and today is my last day over here. About my biking journey, I started a few years back in 2016, wherein I took part in Ambi Valley drag race. I happened to go there with few of my friends. Back then I was pursuing my automobile engineering diploma, and I took part in drag racing in 2016. After that, I wanted to do more into racing, and I went for the selections of India's first female racing team, which was powered by TVS. And luckily I got selected in that team, and I was part of the TVS Racing Series in 2016 and 2017. After that, I started touring a bit, and the most adventurous ride for me was, of course, Ladakh, which is everyone's bucket list. And the most memorable ride for me was with the XPHP. In the year 2019, I was part of XPHP Great Asian Odyssey, wherein they covered 15 countries, and I covered 3 countries with them: Malaysia, Singapore, and Sri Lanka. And apart from 2 wheels, I even drive buses and trucks. I was trained under Mumbai's iconic DST bus services, and after that I was titled as Mumbai's first female bus driver. I have a license to drive a bus and truck. So that's it. That's about me. Thank you. And XBHP, again I would like to thank you for making me part of this journey, and I wish you keep on growing and glowing. Thank you.
Thank you so much. There is another gentleman who has joined us, Vichu. So he's also a blogger. So how we are doing this is that we are inviting people who are joining us for 400-500 kilometers. Vichu, just a couple of lines about yourself.
First of all, thanks to XBHP team for inviting me for this ride, Road Trip United 2021. Okay. And I am from Kerala. I just joined today. So I was a part of XBHP Domina Great Asian Odyssey in 2019. That was also to ride in Malaysia, to roam around in Malaysia. So it was a great ride. I had a great experience with the team. So again, I am in this ride. So every ride is special for me. I started my biking 14 years before when I got my license. And before that also I used to ride. And I started my vlogging, I think 3 years back. And I used to do motorcycle reviews. And also I completed my Kerala to Kashmir ride on 2019 on my Dominar. And also gone to small rides and big rides. So riding is just a passion for me. I'm basically a software engineer, and so I'm excited to ride with the team from here from Bangalore to Cochin.
So before revving your machine, I think we should let it warm up. Let the the oil comes to the optimal temperature. So I'm going to let it idle for around a minute.
ये भी भाई काफ़ी मेहनत कर रहा है और एक्सप्लोर ही कर रहे हो ना, बेसिकली ट्रैवल चैनल होगा,
ट्रैवल एक्सप्लोर ब्लॉग्स, मोटर राइडिंग करते हैं।
बिल्कुल। ऑल द बेस्ट भाई को, और सब्सक्राइब करना है।
थैंक यू सर।
In the end of the meetup, I took some pictures with the celebrities as well as Superbike's friends.